Hello and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Choma. Today we are going to talk about words for transport actions in Igbo language. I travel. I travel means in Igbo languages ana m eje njem. Ana m eme njem. Ana m eme njem. I take off. Ana m efeli. Ana m efeli. I take off. Ana m efeli. Ana m efeli. I land. Ana m efetu. Ana m efetu. I land. Ana m efetu. Ana m efetu. I put down. Ana m ebutu. Ana m ebutu ya n'ala. Ana m ebutu ya n'ala. I put down. Ana m ebutu ya n'ala. I climb the stairs. Ana m arịgo steepụ. Ana m arịgo steepụ. I climb the stairs. Ana m arịgo steepụ. Ana m arịgo steepụ. I watch. Ana m ekiri. Ana m ekiri. I watch. Ana m ekiri. Ana m ekiri. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.